Hey everyone, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers, life, and tech. And for this episode, I'm excited to bring you my unboxing of the VANS neighborhood new sneaker collection, plus a couple of Bearbricks that we picked up from the awesome streetwear shop, Akimbo. Let's go. Now, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so because we are going to do a giveaway, 24-hour giveaway. So we'll draw the winner tomorrow for a VANS neighborhood sneaker in this video today. So make sure that you subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and then watch until the very end of the video for the mechanics of our giveaway. Japanese streetwear brand Neighborhood teamed up with LA-based tattoo artist Mr. Cartoon and VANS for this collection. We actually have two sneakers over here. Again, that I was able to pick up from our good friends over at Akimbo. For those who don't know, Akimbo is a streetwear/art shop that you can find. I think my favorite branch is the one over at Uptown Mall BGC, but they also have a website and you guys can check them out there. So for this video, we're going to unbox both sneakers plus the bunch of Bearbricks that they also sent for this video. So let's get started. The collection features two sneakers, two silhouettes. We have over here the VANS Authentic and we have the VANS Old Skul. We'll start things off with maybe the Authentic and then we'll get to the Old Skul after. So as you guys can see, it comes in your typical VANS, very small box, off-the-wall box. And if you pop the box open, ba-bam! This is what the sneaker looks like. Now, if you take a look at the upper of the shoe, the canvas material has the printed characters of Mr. Cartoon from his tattoo art. And that's what you find on both pairs of sneakers. At the back, you have the VANS off-the-wall plate. And along the lateral side of the shoe, you have in cursive on the right pair, Neighborhood, and on the left pair, Uncle Toon Smart. The sneaker comes default with white laces, but you can also swap out the black laces that goes with the shoe. And rounding everything off, if you go to the outsole, your classic gum sole over here. And this particular shoe sells for 4,998 pesos. So that's the first pair. Now moving on to the second sneaker, which is actually my favorite from the collection. This is the Old Skul 36DX. So you guys can see this one is in size 12 and the price tag is 5,298 pesos. Slightly more expensive than the Authentic. So if you pop the box open, this one is an all black shoe. And that kind of makes it, I think, a little bit easier to wear. But you can make it pop a little bit by wearing the white laces, swapping out the white laces. Anyway, so let's take a look at the sneakers. So the upper is made out of really nice suede material. So that's the suede that you guys see over here. And this stripe along just above in between the midsole and the upper is some sort of like jazz leather. So it goes the entire length of the sneaker from the medial to the back to the lateral side of the shoe. If you take a look at the toe box, it's written in embroidered material on the left pair, Los Angeles, where Mr. Cartoon is from. And on the right pair, it says over here, Tokyo, where Neighborhood is based. And it's the same thing that you can find at the back. It's labeled over here, again, embroidered by Neighborhood or Uncle Toon's Mart. And again, as I mentioned, this one comes with black laces, but you can swap it out for the white laces just in case you guys want to have that look and feel. Now, if you want an on-feet, just keep on watching until the very end. I'll show some shots of me wearing the shoes, but for now, we'll get to the next batch of items that I'm super excited to unbox. By the way, guys, if you want any of the two sneakers, just make sure that you guys check out the Akimbo Instagram page as well as their website. They are launching already July 9, so that's just a few days. Or is that tomorrow? Basta malapit na. So kung gusto nyo, doon kayo bumili. Great thing about this one is that it's not just your typical VANS sneaker. It's a collaboration with Neighborhood, one of my favorite streetwear Japan, Tokyo-based brand. So again, not too expensive. Try to cop one if you guys are a fan. Now, you probably heard of Akimbo on the channel just recently because I did an unboxing of the VANS Kenzo collection. So if you guys missed that unboxing, I unboxed all the sneakers from that collection. Please do check that out. I'll put a link down below. It's a really nice video, very floral. And speaking of Kenzo, they also sent this really awesome Kenzo shirt over. You have the Kenzo tiger up front in embroidered material. I don't know if it's embroidered, it's not, but it's really nice quality, Really nice shirt. So if you are looking for Kenzo, well, apparel, shirts, hoodies, and stuff like that, make sure again that you check out Akimbo over at their Facebook page. So, or their Instagram account and their website. So at this point, we'll get to the toy unboxing because we actually have a set, a trio of Bearbricks that's in collaboration with Extra Large, X Large. Super excited for them because as you guys can probably tell, in the background, I collect some toys, and part of the collection that I have includes a bunch of Bearbricks. So let's get to the unboxing. So this is the Bearbrick 400% X Large D'FACE collaboration. So we have two, and I'm just excited to take this out of the box and share it with you guys, and maybe put it somewhere on the shelf at my back. So woohoo! You have the 400%, so that's the big one or the semi-big one, and you have this really cute 100% Bearbrick also over here that's kind of small. So you have X Large up front, you have D'FACE at the back, and you have that really, it's like a dual face thing. So this is the face up front, and at the back, it's like a different Bearbrick altogether. So this is the first one. We also have it in a lighter shade. So if we remove the tape, ta-da! So this is the second 400% Bearbrick with the 100% smaller version. It's the same design. You have that face with that tongue sticking out, just a lighter shade. And if you take a look at the back, again, you have that different face. You have the D'FACE logo, and then you have the X Large logo up front. Whew, so cute. You also have those transparent ears with wings. Just looks really nice. But hey, we're not yet done because we have this massive 1000% Bearbrick as well to add to the collection. As expected, it is the 1000% or massive version of the D'FACE X Large Bearbrick. Wow! Ta-da! So we have, let me just zoom this out. So we have the big one, we have the small one, and we have the medium-sized one. Ah, so cute. So that's actually it for our unboxing for today. Guys, if you are looking for amazing streetwear items, be it, you know, art such as Bearbricks, art toys, or if you're looking for really cool sneakers such as the VANS Neighborhood Collection, or, you know, even Kenzo products, please do check out Akimbo. Again, I'll put a link down below to their website as well as their Instagram page. And for our giveaway, it's very simple. All you have to do is tell me what you guys love about the VANS neighborhood sneaker. So just say what that is, what your shoe size is, and include your Instagram handle and comment down below. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And while you're at it, please do support Akimbo by liking and following them on Instagram. The link to that can be found in the description box. We will be drawing the winner to the raffle tomorrow, so that's 24 hours. So good luck to everybody who will be joining. That wraps up our vlog for today. To end, here are some footage or some video clips of on-feet shots of the VANS neighborhood sneaker or collection. I hope you guys enjoyed. Peace, God bless. What's up? Boom.